Hey guys, FAL guy here. Welcome to another short video on how to run your FAL more efficient. In today's video, we're going to look at immediate and remedial action drills for the FAL. With me, I have my almost favorite SAP Tokmach Commando carbine. And we are going to do some malfunctions with this bad boy. So let's get started. In the world of malfunction clearing, we are distinguishing between two different types of clearing malfunctions. Number one is immediate action drills, or the tap rack go or tap rack reassess. And number two is the remedial action drill, which happens if we cannot clear the malfunction with the tap rack reassess. And we are going to look at each one of them in this video. So let's get started with the tap rack reassess or the immediate action drill. The first drill we're going to look at, the tap rack reassess or the immediate action drill, is when I expect the rifle to go boom, however it goes click. All I'm going to do is I'm going to tap the magazine, rack the charging handle, and then reassess the situation. Either I don't need to shoot again or I need to shoot. And it's super simple with the FAL. So let's have a look at it. So I'm going to bring my rifle up, I'm going to point it downrange, and it will go click. The next step is I need to hit the magazine. For that, I can either bring my rifle into the workspace or reef the rifle up. All I have to do is tap the magazine from the front, because I'm going to tap it in the opposite direction how I inserted it to ensure that it's properly seated. Tap it, I rack the charging handle, and then I go. So that, ladies and gentlemen, is a tap rack reassess. Let's do it slightly faster. Let's look at two different ways on how I can do it. Let's look at the first way on how I can do it fast without taking the rifle off target. So let's look at option number two, is that when I bring in my rifle into my workspace, that is 8 to 12 inches from my eyes, and I get a better overview of my rifle and conduct the necessary actions on my rifle to ensure it's ready for the fight again. So that was the tap rack reassess or the immediate action drill. I know some people call it the tap rack go as well. The reason why I don't call it go is because I believe I don't always have to shoot. What if I'm a fire team and someone else takes over for me and shoots the target? There's no point in doing a target overkill. So for the tap rack reassess or for the immediate action drill, all I have to do is tap the magazine, rack the charging handle, and then reassess the situation. When I tap the magazine, I want to tap it towards me, because remember, I want to ensure that it's properly seated. So I don't tap it like an AR-15 where I tap the bottom. I need to tap it towards me, move it back towards me, so ensure that it's properly locked in place. Reason why this drill can happen is if we don't properly insert the mag, we don't properly rack the rifle, or whatever reason, there's just no round chambered. It can also happen if the magazine is bad and the magazine does not fully seat. So therefore, tap the magazine, rack the charging handle, and reassess the situation. So that was an easy drill and the most common one. Let's go to the next one, which is slightly difficult. The other malfunction clearing drill that I have to do is if tap rack reassess doesn't do the trick, or immediate action, is remedial action. Remedial action can result due to numerous things. One being double feed, cartridge not properly extracted from the chamber and not ejected, cartridge stuck in the chamber or in the magazine. So in this scenario, I prep the rifle. I hope the camera will focus on it. As you can see, So I inserted it around into the chamber and inserted the magazine, and all I did was let the bolt go forward slowly to pick up the round from the magazine and slowly push it towards the round that's chambered. So that is a thing that can actually happen. It doesn't extract the round from the chamber. And the question is, how do I fight it? Well, there are numerous steps. Step number one is I want to lock the bolt to the rear. Then I want to extract the magazine, want to clear the chamber, insert a fresh magazine, rack it, and then reassess. These are the steps broken down. Super easy. So let's walk it through. All right, so I got my rifle ready with the malfunction. Let's walk you through the steps really slowly. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm still going to do the tap rack reassess, just to make sure that it can clear the malfunction. As you can see, nothing happens. So let's start with the process. Number one, I'm going to lock the bolt to the rear. Take the magazine out. Then I want to rack it multiple times, at least 3 times. I want to observe the chamber, that it's clear. I'm going to take a fresh magazine, rack it, and then reassess the situation. In this case, it was a go. So let's do it, this time faster. That was the remedial action, slightly faster. Hey guys, this concludes a short video on how to clear malfunctions on the FAL. We did the immediate action and the remedial action, and we looked at what is important. We figured out that on the immediate action, I can have my rifle in the high range, or basically pointing down range and conduct it, or I can bring my workspace. However, with the remedial action, I have to break contact with the rifle, bring it back in, lock the bolt to the rear, take the mag out, clear it multiple times, insert a fresh new mag, and then get back to business. Now, why do we insert a fresh mag in the remedial action? Because I want to have a clean slate when I engage again with the target or the enemy. And I don't know, maybe the magazine induced a malfunction in the rifle. So I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope you learned something. If you have any different ways on how you clear malfunctions, put in the comment section below. Hit like, comment, and subscribe. Follow my channel, and make the FAL great again, because it's such a cool battle rifle. It's completely underrated in today's world. So thanks a lot, en tot volgende keer weer. Cheers!